Good morning, Mina.
Morning.
Good morning, Ademola and Jermaine. Good morning, Nigeria. Here is the news. President Bola Tinubu has arrived in Rome for the Aquaba Process Heads of State and Government meeting on West African security. The meeting, co-chaired by Jordan and Italy, will discuss terrorism, cyber radicalization, and regional cooperation. President Tinubu will also hold bilateral talks with leaders on security collaboration and peace efforts. The Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU, has directed all chapters to commence a 2-week warning strike from midnight Monday, October 13, ASU President Professor Chris Pewona said the decision followed the government's failure to resolve lingering university issues despite repeated engagements, stressing ASU's frustration with unfulfilled promises and slow responses.
The negotiating table and discuss and resolve these issues with us.
In the meantime, the Federal Minister of Education has reaffirmed government's commitment to resolving ASU issues through dialogue. Ministers Maruf Alausar and Suwaiba Ahmed said most concerns have been addressed, urging ASU to avoid strikes. They restated adherence to no work, no pay, emphasizing government's dedication to stability, welfare, and academic progress under the renewed hope agenda. A central bank governor, Governor Olayemi Cardoso, will lead Nigeria's delegation to the World Bank IMF annual meetings in Washington, D.C., opening October 13, 2025. Cardoso replaces Finance Minister Wale Edun. Events at the World Bank IMF annual meetings include development and financial committee sessions, regional briefings, and economic fora. Minister Doris Ozoka Anete will join discussions on global economy and development strategies. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control, NCDC, has partnered with youth organizations and language experts to translate key health information into local languages. Director General Dr. Jide Idris said the initiative will strengthen health awareness, bridge communication gaps, and improve public response to disease prevention and drug resistance across Nigerian communities.
Using local language helped women express their experiences to seek care and engage with healthcare providers more effectively. These examples remind us that language saves lives because when people can name a problem, they can begin to solve it.
President Bola Tinubu has celebrated his son, Sheyi, on his 40th birthday, praising his leadership discipline and service-driven values. The president commended Sheyi's dedication as a husband and father, urging him to keep inspiring others. He prayed for wisdom, good health, and greater achievements that will continue making Nigeria proud. Foreign Affairs Minister Yusuf Tuga ensured the safe return of Nigeria's Super Eagles after their aircraft developed a cracked windscreen in Luanda. His diplomatic coordination secured overnight permits across 5 countries, enabling quick travel to Uyo. The timely intervention was hailed as proactive diplomacy before Tuesday's World Cup qualifier. That's the news at this time. Good morning, Nigeria continues with Jummai and Ademola after the break.